when the story and the chart say the same thing. This is one of those rare setups. You don't need a finance degree to see it, just eyes and a bit of logic. When the story matches the chart and the chart matches the logic, you stop guessing and you start listening. And right now, HWM is speaking loud and clear. Let's talk demand, real-world demand. During the pandemic, airlines parked planes, hundreds, maybe thousands. Those jets got old, outdated, or straight up retired. Now the skies are full again, and airlines need new planes fast. But here's the catch. You can't just go buy a jet off the shelf like a new car. Boeing and Airbus are buried in back orders. We're talking thousands of aircraft on the books, and it's not slowing down. Asian airlines, Middle East carriers, even U.S. fleets are placing record-breaking orders to modernize their systems. This is a global fleet reset, and it's not some flash-in-the-pan moment. It's a multi-year rebuild cycle. And who's making the parts that make the planes possible? Howmet Aerospace, fasteners, forgings, engine components, aluminum wheels, not optional, not decorative. We're talking the spine and bones of the aircraft. That means one thing. No jet takes off without someone writing a check to HWM. Post-pandemic, they trimmed the fat, debt down, margins up, and that chart hasn't broken trend once. No noise, no drama, just steady, institutional buying pressure, and hardly a peep from retail. This is how opportunity hides, in plain sight. While everyone's watching headline stocks, HWM is locking in contracts, riding global tailwinds, and printing real momentum. This isn't hype, it's strategy, demand, scarcity, and execution, all moving in one direction.
Conviction, the way to get int. HWM. We've looked at the company, we've looked at the story, we've looked at the team, and we've seen the chart, loud and clear. Now let's wrap this up. The thesis. Howmet isn't chasing momentum, it's building the runway. Every plane ordered, every defense contract signed, every fleet upgraded. HWM is in the middle of it, not just participating, but critical to execution. We're not looking at a recovery stock. We're looking at a strategic manufacturer with pricing power, global tailwinds, and institutional ownership to match. The metrics. Multi-year uptrend with no breaks in structure. Money stream acceleration at breakout levels. MACE-D at full extension, signaling heat, not exhaustion. Earnings growing step by step, 0.27 to 0.86 projected. Volume confirming the move, 23.8 million shares traded into strength. The move. At this level, you scale in or you stay sharp. We don't chase green candles. But we don't ignore high ground either. This one's earned its place on the screen. It's earned its spot on the shortlist. And now it's earned a tag inside the portfolio. What's next? We wait for the next move. Could be a sideways drift. Could be a clean pullback. Either way, we're watching with purpose, not emotion. Because when strength looks this organized, it usually keeps going. Final note. A quick reality check before we sign off. If this breakdown helped clarify your view, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We don't chase noise, we track what matters. All charts and numbers you just saw come from public sources, processed in-house, filtered through our lens. I trade my own account, and I share what I see so you can sharpen your own edge. For the full deep dive, check out the main episode at notesideasandthoughts.wordpress.com. This is Journey into the Market, and today I've introduced you to HWM, Howmet Aerospace Inc. Not a trend, not a rumor, but backbone, quietly transforming the future of flight and leaving the rest of the market to catch up.